कि खूबोर का बातें सी टीवी लवन राशपी तक Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hakini ke number harum. Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District SC Sadhu la keranda ke Bashai bagi buat penyak district wat pedeng ke jing persya jing seng sang perthai bat kumjuru ni ke seng bhalang kin Weng Satya ya ke hukum la penmi ban penjeri dari Kyndon 144 CRPC. Ya ke Niew DC lepan pau ke jing net ban jengo ya ke jaga Niew vote hapulo ke belong menta ke Sngi halo ke jing pen kre ya ke Sngi Niew vote. Habe keren bekla pathai khubor SC Sadhu le tho ba ke jing penjari ya ke Kyndon 144 CRPC ke dibentek lakam ya ke sok san bat kumjuru bakan thot ke ya ke jing jangki pat ba bagi jing shat recommend ha ki dong bagi kentot kene hukum kan trikam Satya.
This today's inspection is for the purpose of briefing all AROs and other stakeholders like media team, police, CAPF, which is guarding the entire strong rooms and this control center, our counting center, about various arrangements that we have made. And in fact, we have made elaborate arrangements for the purpose of counting, which includes smooth counting of machines, and postal ballot counting for all 7 districts will be conducted here, and also detailed law and order arrangements so that there should not be any untoward incident at the counting center, and to ensure that only authorized people are only allowed to be entered into the counting center. There is a separate dedicated media cell also has been created. We have briefed the media team also to ensure that media can have real-time access to information, so that the information sharing would be in a continuous and transparent manner. And we have set up separate. We will be setting up a separate screen for media to access. And up to this media center, we will allow media people to take mobiles also, so that for any other communication from there, media will be able to share this information.
Sir, how many companies of CAPF are?
So one company of CAPF is here, but outer layer would be guarded by State Armed Police.
Sir, we have seen some third parties along with NGOs have demanded. We hope that CAPF is the order. So what's the money?
So this is one political party, and yesterday we received one petition from one of the NGOs with regard to revocation of 144, particularly with regard to prohibition of processions and rallies. But this order has been issued with an objective to ensure that law and order is not disturbed, and also to ensure the traffic convenience for the normal commuters. So because on 4th, that is counting day, would be a working day, and the counting center is in the middle of the city. So there is every possibility that the processions may lead to law and order disturbances, and also will create huge traffic problems that we experienced in last assembly elections. So with these objectives, we have issued these directions prohibiting processions and rallies, but other forms of celebrations at their own localities are not prohibited in this order. So this is very clear, and we have conveyed it to all stakeholders also.
So can we say that
there is no thought of revoking this order, which is already issued. But again, I would like to reiterate that there is no objection of the parties or candidates celebrating at their own localities. So that we are not against the celebration. So parking, we have even reviewed the parking arrangements. So there would be separate parking arrangements for the political representatives of the political parties and their teams, and there would be separate parking places for our officers and the counting teams. So SRGT parking lot will be earmarked for the political parties, and the other grounds will be for our counting team.